examples of a Mexican cartel lucrative but deadly human smuggling business running 24 hours a day at the southern border. We talked to Victor Alayla, who's a retired special agent, and he tells us one of the main concerns is who's in these groups.
They're completely being smuggled and avoiding detection. And why would you avoid detection? Because you possibly have some kind of criminal affiliation or cartel affiliation.
This group running across the border there in the Delta night, they paid $9,000 each to the cartel just to get across. The cameras were rolling here as the 6 Mexican men were then taken into custody. They dished out all of that cash, though $9,000 each to the cartel to get 3 attempts to get into the U.S. If they don't make it, they gotta try and pay again. Back on your live gaming, we can tell you that things are not slowing down. And one thing that's interesting when we talk about the cartel is that so many people who come up and talk to us here while we're stationed right here,
What the? You punk! How dare you! You've created a grave mistake! Stealing somebody else's hair? And stealing? No. Stealing somebody else's body? And using? And gaining the power of a god of destruction? And using it for destruction? It's the ultimate sin!
Something that this network, the U.S. Post, and some other media outlets have now proven over and over again.
So, but if the Republicans do flip at least the House,
yeah,
how quickly might documents be produced?
I think you'll start to see things assuming you believe Republican promises about how committed they are to the investigation, I think you'll start to see things rolling very, very quickly. And I know that a lot of promises have been made for bank records, for financial records. There's going to be subpoenas of business partners, people like Eric Schwerin and other people in Hunter Biden's orbit.
And using ultra ego? Sorry about this, fans. I'm just really speechless. I never would have thought that Goku Black would use something like this. Anyhow, all credit for this episode goes out to Rising Fist. Not really. And unrealetgaming. Seriously, not really. Tonight we're drawing Ultra Ego Goku Black. As we have been told, he managed to obtain the power of a god of destruction after helping out this creature called the Hakai Shin of Time. I mean, it was just one eye.
And it doesn't seem to be in a way that you could, in an answer like that, you could say, we had to make a risk-based analysis to decide what was the more important thing. Were we going to try to save these lives? And instead, I think a lot of people are sitting here wondering, if this happens again, if there is another pandemic, are we going to learn this lesson and make sure that at least that we keep kids in schools and businesses open?
I have to wonder, though, what lives are we saving? We all know that kids are at the least risk for coronavirus. For most of them, it's a cold or they have no symptoms at all. And we have now made them less equipped and less able to handle the challenge.
I'm saying we have to keep the kids home so that the teachers or so that they're not bringing it home to their loved ones and hurting them. I don't know. I think we'll have to look at a risk-based analysis on that.
These two phases on the economy, on the school children, that covers everything. Right? Businesses and schools. Right? There's no stronger thing in the world than the American economy. I know our businesses will bounce back. I really, truly worry about students. And we saw that reading and math are historic work. And we weren't leading the world in reading and math before coronavirus.
No, and now we're way behind.
So it's a real, and it's going to have the effects for years.
Alright. Now then, draw this part here. This is where his... Let's see. Oh, shoot. What was that for?
Businesses nationwide are switching to Verizon Business Internet. It's a perfect fit for my small business. Verizon has business-grade internet solutions nationwide.
For our not-so-small business, too.
Get internet that keeps your business ready for anything. For the network America relies on.
Here's his Hakai spear.
When you have auto blast damage, let SafeLight come to you. My customer enjoys time with her family. So when her windshield got a crack, she's scheduled with SafeLight in just a few clicks.
One more thing. He has this special weapon called the Black Time Ring. It'll
That service on her time.
absorb, well,
Wow, thank you. Bye. Don't wait. Schedule now.
any energy that was imprinted into the time stream itself. And, well, that's the same thing what happened to this guy. And now it's complete. And to be honest, he looks fucking scary. That's all for now, folks. And remember, don't hate yourself.